Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find Vivid Seats promo codes. So in order to find the latest working promo codes, you first need to come on vividseats.com where you will see all of the details relating to the recent concerts and all of the events that are currently going on or upcoming uh, concerts basically. So here you will see that there are events that are under $100. So if you are interested in these events, you can just click on it and then you can just book your tickets basically on vividseats.com. You will have to try to find if there is any latest deals or coupon codes available, or if there is something that is interesting available over here or not. Now in the second method, you just have to come to this website, that is coupons.com, where you need to use the search bar and search for Vivid Seats. Now it will show you all of the coupon codes and the deals that are currently available here. As you can see that as of January 2025, 17 deals and 2 coupon codes are available on coupons.com. So you can either filter it out with these two, or you can just simply scroll down a bit in order to check which deals and coupon codes are available. Currently these are not available, so you need to scroll to the up and click on see coupon. Let's say I want to avail this deal, so you need to click on see coupon, and this is the coupon code that you need to copy. But before using it, you need to make sure that you read the terms and condition, and you need to make sure that you follow these terms and conditions. So you need to come on vividseats.com, and here at the time of checkout you need to use the promo code that you have copied from coupons.com, and this way you will be able to find Vivid Seats coupon codes in 2025. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.